Hi, how are you?
Hi, I am good. How are you?
Good. Do you speak English?
A little bit. Are you American?
Yes. Where are you from?
I am from America too.
Are you from New York?
No. I am from Los Angeles.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Excuse me, are you American?
No.
Do you speak English?
A little, but not very well.
How long have you been here?
From last 6 months,
What do you do for work?
I am a student. How about you?
I am a student too.
Excuse me, what's your name?
My name is Jessica. What's yours?
My name is Samir.
You speak English very well.
Thank you.
Do you know what time it is?
Sure. It's 5:10 p.m.
What did you just say?
I said it's 5:10 p.m.
Thank you.
You're welcome.